this morning, there two boats came in, two big ass sailing boats. Let me clean this. And they were surrounded by police, Coast Guard, and the police, the FURA, Fast Unit Rapid Action Department. They're over there. I want to show you. Those two boats over there. This is the other side. Out there. These are the two big boats that came with the police. And I don't know what's happening. I think they took the guys away. No, they're still there. But the police been at the marina every single morning escorting some boats. So I think they're trying to catch some drugs or something. I don't know. Oh, and look who's here. My princess. It's Princess Bailey. Hi, Bailey. Say hi to the people. The audience. Yeah. Alright, guys. Let's go 5 minutes of nothing. Alright, so let me finish this and I'll show you if it works or not. Okay? Ciao. Hello, baby. What you doing?
I'm sitting here watching you work, and I'm about ready to go work.
What today is? It's get things done day.
Every day's a good get things done day. Because we always have things to do every single day.
What have you done today?
Look at this mess. I made breakfast. I swept up bread off the floor and shook out a towel because there was breadcrumbs everywhere from somebody who got up in the middle of the night to eat bread.
I wonder who was that.
What? Was it Bailey?
Somebody woke up in the middle of the night to eat bread.
Bread. Was it Bailey?
I wonder, was it Bailey?
Bailey, was it you? Was it you? Or was it Lonnie?
Lonnie.
It wasn't Lonnie. Lonnie would never do anything like that.
It was probably me. I sleep and eat, or sleepwalking and eat, or eat walking. Yeah. But I need it because I cannot sleep. I keep having nightmares. I have to wake up. I have to go out, check the perimeter, make sure we don't have no insurgent comings or terrorist attacks. So yeah. So this is my toys right here: cables, multimeters, masts, tapes. Over there I got more tools, and I'm still working on this. You know, I put the bar in for the positive. You see? Look at that. Here's the fuse that I can find the fuse now. I have to find it. I have to tie all these positive cables together. This is the bar of negative and positive. This is what I got here. Look. This is what Vesper Marine gave me. Oh, deal with all these little cables. I'm gonna tell you what are they for. So here we are. I have to figure them out. No, this is negative. The black one is negative. Okay, so negative and negative gonna go together because this is the hammer that in there.
What's there?
Beep, beep. It's supposed to be the mute alarm. Because and I work nasty, you know.
Lonnie.
And I'm following the schematics right here made by my friend Dog. And here is the Sterner switch. I connected the red cable already right here to this condition. The power for the AIS. This one is connected. Now I'm gonna connect the black for the silent switch to black from, that would be this cable, and this cable. This cable, they're gonna go to the negative over there. This is fun! Yay! Beer time!
Want some cheese and crackers, baby?
So here we go. Now see if it works. Okay. We just finished installing all the cables for the AIS and radio. And the Vesper Marine light came up. Okay. We have a red light over there. It's booting. Let's turn the radio on. girlfriend is cleaning out there with muriatic acid, and the fumes are in here in the salon, and it's making me sick. Position for the GPS right there. The light's still red, solid red. Why? Oh, we got solid green. With a solid green, the light. Shit, that's my girlfriend cleaning out there. Wow. She's cleaning out there. And wow, I can't talk. Okay, there you go. She's gone. I think we got it working. Let's see. We got this right here, GPS, the alarm. This for the alarm. It's on. The green on the. Good. Good job, guys. We got it done. Who get the green? Who get the red?
Randy gets the red and Lonnie gets the green. What's that on you? What's that on?
Why is that?
I don't know why. This one fits Lana better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what you did today, baby?
Oh my god. I'm exhausted. I scrubbed the whole boat with acid cleaner, and then I scrubbed it with the wax.
Muriatic acid.
And then I scrubbed it with the boat wax cleaner.
Okay.
I scrubbed the whole boat, so we'll see it later.
Nice, very nice.
Now we're going to eat because I'm hungry. Right?
Let's go.
I don't want to hear it from Bailey. I don't want to hear it from Bailey. No, I don't. No, I don't.
Hey guys. So I trying to fix a window that was leaking. That I've been trying to fix for the last probably year. But this is the first time that I'm taking it off to fix it, and I broke it in half. Look at this. I broke this from this. So I broke the plexiglass. Now we're gonna have more wire coming in. It was supposed to be like this, nice. Now it's broken. But I have to figure it out how to fix it, and then take all this silicone out, which is really hard. I have to vacuum here, and been really crazy, you know, really hard work. And it's my first time doing this with the windows, so of course I'm not perfect. Then my girlfriend is over there. You see, she's over there. That's my girlfriend. Hey guys, what's up? We're on this canopy, hiding away from the sun, and I'm drinking now Medalla. Captain Joe Baylana drinking Medalla. So we're still working on this stuff. And here is my girlfriend, everybody. Hey girl, what's up, man? How are you?
Okay, so this is what we got going on today. This is our project, fixing a window. And this is the lovely mess we have going on. Ace.
What's up?
Attempted to take out the window.
And it broke in
half. Welcome to boat life.
I broke one of the windows.
Yep, there it is.
Yep.
There it is, broken half. So that's another project. And we need to fix this window because when it rains, it rains inside. And I about had it. So Ace is today repairing it. So hopefully by the end of the day he has it done. It doesn't look like rain is in our forecast. I'm not gonna say it. I didn't say it. Say what? Say what? Let's go see the babies. What are they doing? What are they up to? There's Lonnie. Where's Bailey? Hi, Bailey. Hi, Lonnie. Hi, let's go. Come on. This way. This way. Come on. Come on. Let's go. We have to use this little ensemble to get off the boat. Yes, not easy. Come on, Lonnie. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, Mama. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. Good job, Lonnie.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now, right now, right now. Get it right now, right now. Get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now.
Guys, I'm back again, and Tammy took off like around, an hour ago. She haven't been back. She have work to do on the boat, but she don't really care. She leave. She never come back. She wait. She let me do all the work on the boat. So I'm probably gonna be needing another first mate. So stay tuned for applications, because I need her help here doing this window. But she leave. She go out to the bar, drinking with friends. I know that's fun, but when there's work on the boat, that comes first. So I don't know. We'll see how long she takes. Hey, where you been?
I was talking to our neighbors, Brandy and Bo, about
For an hour. I mean,
about provisioning, about videoing, about.
you got work to do here.
I know, I'm going down. I love you.
You need to work here.
I love you.
I'm gonna replace you as a first mate.
I love you.
I'm gonna have to leave
I
you one
love
of those islands.
I love
a
you.
new one.
I love you.
Okay, I need you to come over here and take all this silicone out of the windows.
Okay.
Okay?
On the inside or outside?
Oh, right here, these windows. Right here.
Do I need a bag?
No. You need a scrapper, something to take
Hold
the
on, I'm
silicone
coming.
out. I'm gonna give something to do. She be not drinking with my money. That's not cool. Then she has to be dumb now. Come over here.
This needs to be retied. You miss me, baby? Oh.
But I need to do some work.
I know I'm working.
No, you're not working.
Oh, baby, stop it.
I need to take.
I was under-
Alright, guys. So here we are. We're putting the silicone on the window that is broken. That I broke. That pulled too hard. Okay, we're putting a lot of silicone so it doesn't leak. You see? Yeah. Okay. Let's see if we can seal that up. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right, here we go. Let's pray that it doesn't leak again, because I'm gonna go crazy.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my
What's up, guys? So how it looks. Still done. Shitty as hell. But I'm gonna try to fix it tomorrow with something else. At least